Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see some of the top hacks that is needed to pass the Microsoft certification exam. Here in particular, I'm going to discuss about the AI 900 exam. Now, let us see all the hacks one by one. The first hack is to understand the exam objective. We must understand the entire exam course syllabus. For AI 900, the list of topics that needs to be focused are given below. We can get the course syllabus for any of the Microsoft certification exam in their official site. Once you understand the objective, we must plan the study resource. You can plan according to your choice. Suppose if you are a person who is looking for a video lessons, then you can search any of the YouTube channels who concentrates mainly on AI 900. If you need to concentrate on quizzes and puzzles related to AI 900, you can find a huge content on Udemy and Coursera. After finding the needed course syllabus and then planning for the study resource, the next step is to schedule for the exam. You can choose any of the slot as per your wish, either in the morning, afternoon, or in the late night. Once you postpone the exam, you will not get many slots. Now, the next important step is to have hands on practice. So, first create a free Azure account and then explore the machine learning platform where you can practice creating, training, deploying, and then using the models. Now you can experiment with different services such as computer vision for image classification and analysis and natural language and speech services for speech to text and translation services. Once you have prepared well and have sufficient practice, then you can start with some model exams. Here you can see I have included some popular AI 900 practice questions in my channel. I will attach the link to this in the description box. Another important hack majority of the people writing the exam might not know. That is, you can get free exam vouchers by completing some of the challenges mentioned in their official website in a given period of time. The free exam vouchers are not available at all the times. In some occasion, you can get a voucher for half the amount of the exam by attending some virtual classes. Once you are ready with all the needed preparations and the hands on practice, you can participate in any of the discussion groups, forums, or social media channels where you can find a huge content related to AI 900, their applications, real time examples, and so on. Now I'm going to list out some of the important areas that you must concentrate more. So, first thing is you have to remember the sequence of steps which we use while working with the machine learning platform, that is, the resource creation, then associating with the respective studio, the job creation, pipeline creation, so on. The next thing is understand each concepts and their real time applications and examples. Then you have to make note of the important six key principles used in the responsible AI. Finally, concentrate more on the different machine learning types such as supervised and unsupervised machine learning and then and the different evaluation metrics used. I hope this video will be informative and useful for many who are preparing for the certification exam. If you are in need of any other detailed video related to AI, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you.